Who will stay on top or meron bang ma-overtake ditong team? Nilabas na rin dito yung tinatawag nating tiririt. Okay, wow. Okay, very nice control. Kapitan Edgy Geronimo now. Wow, what a medyo malapit nga lang tong pato dito sa may side rail or short rail rather. Securing the pot. A friendly bump on the brown. Nag-perform si Edgy last appearance niya for the QC Dragons.
Si Edgy Geronimo yung nag-stand out pero lahat sila doon may pinuntos para dito sa Quezon City Dragons.
Para kitang-kita yung panamaan ng 7. Just like that. Bit of inside spin. Same pocket for that black 8. This is looking like a good start now for Quezon City Dragons na na nakakapag-sweep sa ating pinakaunang linggo ng ating season.
Courtesy of
Taguig.
that Taguig Stallions, Sandales are defending champions.
That's right. Down goes the 9. Unang panalo belongs to Quezon City Dragons. Eto na. 9 ball moving once again. And this is looking like another dry break. Si Ryan Mark Hidalgo may binabati rin, no? Ang ano to?
Team Dreams Pro.
Dreams Pro. Mabuhay po kayo. Maraming salamat po sa pagtutok at pagsuporta. Naubos ni Cap Edgy. Pangalawa naman, isang error naman. Tapos run out ulit.
Yes.
Bawal ang paggamit ng jump cues sa mga players natin. And of course, meron naman tayong tinatawag na timeout.
Yes.
Diba? Kada teams may 2 timeout. Ang kada teams dito, 2-minute timeout actually.
Tigalawa yun per team kapag nilapag na ng ating mga referees.
That is right. Okay, so far they're still going on this battle, itong safety battle natin.
Ito, nanonood sa atin, AJ, Totoy Daga, Mars Alcris Quizon.
Wow.
Pa-shoutout daw sa'yo, pa-shoutout sa'yo dyan, bossing.
Oh, check this out. Look at this. Oh, left it hanging. Sayang yun. So he's looking to massey around the 9 and 3. He's jacked up. Check this out. Oh, pretty close as well. But it's gonna be ball in hand opportunity now. So they call this man Great Things Happen.
Meron tayong extensions per rack na tig-isa na 15-second extension per team.
Extra time, so it's a good thing na meron tayong extension.
Yes.
This 4 ball from this shot right here. Matamaan. Sinukat niya. Feeling ko, kaya pa naman kung di niya binrake from there. Kasi baka matamaan yung 6 ball. Ooh, he tried or he used the entire pocket.
Yes.
He has landed very well on the 6 to the 7. Pretty natural. And again, Negros looking to claim their first rack of this race to 13 sa ating 5-on-5. It's Ryan Mark Hidalgo to possibly put a score now for Team Negros. Side for the 9.
9 ball down dito. Para kay Great Things Happen.
By 3 racks. Almost made the 7. It's a dry break coming from Deo Careza.
Si Deo Careza, siya yung isa sa mga matataas sa 5-on-5 stats when it comes to the Quezon City Dragons. Dito naman sa kabilang side ng Negros Occidental, itong si Galve, being their team captain, siya ang pinakamataasang records.
Kahit magkaaway yung team, magkalaban ng team, magkakaibigan naman din mga
sa labas ng mesa magkakaibigan tong mga to.
Na-break na ngayon doon sa tirang yon ni Jonald Galve. Same pocket ang 4. Ito na, naririnig na natin yung mga ingay. Baka siguro ito yung secret weapon ng QC Dragons ngayon ha.
Kaya parang kanina
ang daming bata kasi.
Mataas ang confidence ito ni Coach Rafael. Hindi
Okay,
boses
very nice.
nila hindi boses nila Garde tsaka nila Morta
Oo, puro mga naglalaro sa labas yung dating Galve. Uy, nakombinahan yung 7. Looking good. Galve 2 balls away para 2 na lang at makaka neck to neck na nila ang QC Dragons dito sa ating race to 13. And down goes the 9.
So nga, pinapanatili nga nito ni Jonald Galvez yung kanyang mataas na record.
Babawian si Tito Baseth Kingpin sa linggong wala siya. Yan, tignan
Ayun.
natin.
Yun na nga siya nang nakasala ngayon for the Dragons.
Tago sa 9. Hindi nga lang umabot yung pato. But it's 4 ball to the rescue. Sa Hayball, no? Tama, Hayball.
Yeah. Silang dalawa yun, I believe, ni Dennis Orculio, if I'm not mistaken.
Doubles.
Hindi, I mean, sila yung
Sila.
represent
Okay.
ng ating country din sa Hayball. Daw, see you guys next week. Next week nga, guys, abang, medyo
Makati
maaga-aga pa,
Titan.
the Makati Titans.
Parehas M.
Yes.
Diba? Okay, very good. Ganda ng paglusot ng 4 doon. So bouncing off the short rail. Also the side rail, okay.
Dapat dito, banayad lang para hindi lumayo yung sais. There you
Just
go.
like that. Oy, naku, sumama nga lang yung 6 ball.
Nangyari pa to, kailang dalawa na lang ang natitirang bola.
That's right. Cue ball behind the net. Check this out. This is looking good. Nako, cue ball lost momentum. Pabuntis ba ang gagawin niyang tira? Buntis nga. Grabe. Baseth. Mokay Bat. On the 9. Nakabawi para sa QC. Raymart Kamomot. Pretty thin, not bad. Okay, so kaso nga lang yun nga, you can't get to that absolute point kung saan mo dapat tatamaan yung object ball.
Kaya makailang beses nang sumilip dito si Lito Lapid.
Whoa! But he needed to spin that much
Kita mo
in
naman yung-
order for him to get to that 2 ball without interrupting the 7 ball. What a shot from Kamomot. Grabe yun. Sabi ko, he might consider it kasi nandun naman yung tirang yun.
Talagang pang Lito Lapid yung tira doon ni Raymart Kamomot.
Di ba?
Talagang
Oh,
nakalusot.
check this out. Come on. Come on, Kamomot.
Malapalos talaga itong si Lito Lapid.
From the back, he tried to cut in the 4 ball. Lands perfectly on the orange 5.
Ito ni Lito
Nagpapatawa pa
Lapid.
ata tong si Lito Lapid habang naglalaro dito. Parang may narinig akong ganun. Tapos yung kaninang tinirang Massey shot on the 2 ball. Pasok ang drive ni Kamomot. Muntikan pa mumugation sa 8.
Pasok.
Oh! May ay!
At sa dami ng pinagdaanan ni Raymart Kamomot dito sa mga tinira niya, what a time for him to make that mistake.
And once again, Mokay Bat with yet another gift. Mokay Bat had 3 straight gifts.
Ayun na nga. At ayun pa, nabigyan pa siya ng regalo doon. That's the 1 ball.
Make use of these balls right here, itong cluster. Making use of those balls to hide the cue ball from the blue.
Mainit ka agad.
Sorry, nabasa ko kasi Cecil Angeles, sabi dito, siya, ayan na, si Demolition Man.
Naglalaro pa siya.
DMC, Dam, Mrs. Mauricio, si Minmin, aba, happy viewing sa'yo Minmin. Pwedeng gamitin na lang niya to hide the cue ball, itong brown 7. So hatak lang ng konti just to get in line. Kaya pa siguro, medium speed, tapos ano yun na lang, didikit na lang yung 5. Ande, sa 9 naman,
Yeah.
kabila. Nice contact, almost made the 5. Kaso
But-
nga lang, bebenta.
Oo.
Dropping this with inside. Wants that cue ball to stop right now. Somehow get control of the cue ball. Makatamaan na rin yung 9 dito for control. Nicely done. Okay. Well, that's me. But not Baseth Mokay Bat.
4 straight wins dito, giving a separation dito sa ating scoreline.
Hindi nga, hindi mo napaparinig yun. Maraming salamat once again, Belladonna. Walang sablay sa pagkain talaga. Grabe, no? The best. So far, kaya naman itong rock na to for the red 3. Lahat nga, nakakatuwa itong larong to. Pero nga lang, hindi ko pa masyadong nalalaro yung, yung one pocket. Tsaka yung creativity sa
Yes.
pag-control ng cue ball.
Mm.
Lalo na isang pocket lang kasi yung di ba? Ariel Sayer, thank you from Belladonna Modern Kitchen. Madam, thank you po.
Maraming salamat,
Mabuhay po
ma'am.
kayo. Anyway, so back at the action here. 3 balls remaining for Captain Edgy Geronimo's been shooting pretty well. Galve, of course, not happy of what is happening, of what's currently happening right now since kanina pa siya nakaupo dito. Malamang warm na yung kanyang seat.
Pinapanood niya lang dito yung kagasa ni Kapitan Edgy.
Down goes the 9 ball.
At ito na nga, first to 10 dito ang Quezon City Dragons. Double digits na nga sila guys at 10.
Chance for the side pocket. Tatamaan pa ang 8 for control para sa susunod na bola. Nicely done. No need for too much control in that one. Kaso nga lang, itong nakalaban or nakatapat ni Raymond Kumamot dito, si Tristan Deo Caresa. Naging involved din sa doubles. Sure, hindi ko na maalala kung if he's successful on winning a singles match. Parang so far wala pa ata, no? So far so good. Deo Caresa, 6 passing the 9, no problem.
Alam mo talagang confident siya sa mga tira na ginagawa niya dito, AJ.
That's right. Medyo ginusto sana niya magkaroon ng angle dun sa tira sa 7 kanina, but no problem. Forcing the cue ball forward, landing nicely on the 8. Shooting with full confidence. Not a gimme on the 9, pero with the way he's cueing and he's shooting, walang problema. All right, there you have it, guys. We've got 12 games for QC. That means,
Coach Jojo Sanchez with the hopes na makabalik pa dito sa ating gabi.
wouldn't it be crazy if in case, hang on, sa dami-dami na nakikita natin ditong pangyayari, posibleng mangyari yan. Check that out. Landing pretty well on the 2 ball with a bit of a help dun sa 8. Castro Nuevo. Kamusta naman ang kanyang shooting? Right on point. This could be quick.
Orasan nyo guys.
Sabi ni Dean Mark, eto na. Nakasalang na ako, makakabuelo ako. Iniisip niya dito na he needs to secure this win para makasargo syempre at mabuhay pa yung hopes ng Pillars. Ayan, no? Punong-puno ng kumpiyansa yung
Yes.
kanyang Pectus, ha?
Talagang pinadali yung tira dun sa 8.
Ibang Dean Mark to. Talagang yung sabi.
At may sinabi siya dun, ako nga pala yung sinayang nyo.
Patay tayo
Patay
dyan.
na.
Eto na. Okay.
May konting pasaring pa dito sa panalo ni Dean Mark Castanuevo. Mukha nga namang with the looks of it, parang nasayang nga siya ng Quezon City Dragons dito, AJ.
If he pulls this off, okay. Kala ko kaya pang papasukin sa may side pocket ng galing sa Masi.
Nandyan daw yung mga bata kasi wala nga naman palang pasok bukas.
Yes. Kong Hei Fat Choi.
Yes.
To everybody.
Chinese New Year tomorrow and Ash Wednesday. It's coming Wednesday.
Wow. Sitwasyon na yun kanina. So, sayang. So, okay.
Na-shoutout na ma'am ha.
Kasi kanina yung aking cellphone na deadbat. Kaya hindi na rin ako nakatutok masyado. Pero again, maraming salamat po sa mga tumutok sa Facebook.
Yes.
And of course sa ating mga local channels. This might be it, guys. This might be the end of this Race to 13 sa ating 5-on-5 Mondays. As Baseth Mokaybat is working his way to get his team to the finish line. Final ball.
Babalikan lang natin, AJ ha. To si Baset, hindi nakalaro dun sa kanilang last series. Ngayon,
Pambawi niya to.
pambawi ni Mokaybat for the Quezon City Dragons, sending them to their first victory of this series. 1-0 na nga sila, guys.
Talking about Jolo Aspuria and John Drasir Mauricio, the 2 youngsters. Matapos natin sabihin na napakagaling nila sa Sargo, dry.
Dry break.
Rafael used to get things going last week, and they actually were successful in that matchup that they had against the Makati Titans. May have an easy hide behind those clump of balls dun sa kabila, Mark. Ayan, Uno ginamit niya doon.
Aga-aga, espadahan agad. Ano? Unexpected naman natin to, of course.
To the finals last season. Uy, ganda nito. That's a two-rail kick. Good contact. This is another safety. Uy, tik pa mag-scratch doon. I mean, that was really risky. May pass the 6. So the ball of concern now will be that red 3. Where did they take it? Did they take it short? Coverage. We're 6-0 pagdating sa King of the Hill. In week number 6, they have a record of 5-1. Sabi ko sa'yo, Resuma Espadahan sa 3-ball. He may have a piece of this 3. A double contact though. But it worked out. Pagagalawin dito ni John L.A. Garde. Does he get a cover behind the 7? Cross-bank attempt. Almost.
Pero may halong insurance. Yung sinasabi nating tira na yun.
Kick and stick nga ba? Oh, buti na lang. Ganun yung pectus noon. However, this 3-ball is now totally exposed, Mr. Zambrano. When you talk about long shot artist, etong si Drasir Mauricio, who just made that one and will get good position on the 4.
But Kamomot made that strange miss on the side pocket yesterday.
Oo, and this is a strange miss as well.
There's one. Sabi pa ni Jay, subukan ko kaya. Ayun, tapyok yung next na tira.
9-ball. Now it's an issue. Kick shot, kiss off the 9, pasok ang 5. Now the 9 was the target, not the 5. Binagalan pa yung pamato. Does it hide?
I don't think so.
Well, a matchup. Okay na. Mukaybat with a long distance shot on the 3. Mas straight and long. Tatago niya.
Look at that brilliant shot.
He's got a shot on the long rail pero baka gumalaw yung sais. Now he's gonna have to go, what is this? 3 rails? Maybe 4 to get to the 3. Intentional foul na lamang. Trying to get them out on 3 fouls, it appears. Garde pulling the cue ball behind the 8-ball. Nako. Oh my gosh, really? How many rails to the 3? Two rails to the 3.
4 rails? I don't know.
1, 2, 3.
Oh, wow.
Oh, 3 rails connected. Fouls reset. But again, the problem that they created, itong Negros created with the 4-9. And see, he's gonna hide behind the 9. Tinira ni Lupe. Wow! Baset Mukaybat was thinking offense all the way there, Mark. 3-9 combination, and finally Quezon City is on the board with another promising layout.
So it's 1/3 malas.
Ito naman siguro, ligpitable na to para sa Quezon City. 4-2 Negros, timeout si Rafael. 4-all. Tapos nakakuha ulit yung Negros dito.
At the top of our leaderboard.
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, Mark.
Wala
Getting to the 6.
Mamba yan.
Garde made it.
Beautiful
Is he on the
shot.
6? Barely. Yan, nakasapatos po yung tira, but he's still jacking up. Talking about Romael Morta. Adds a degree of difficulty to the shot, which is easily handled. Ginulong na lamang. Kasya pala.
Kasya nga.
And we are gonna be tied at 5 racks apiece. For the first time tonight, no team has made a mini run of 2 in a row. Second place goes to Brian Sagiped of the Taguig Stallions. And surprising doon, Negros is the number 2 breaking team in the league, but they have the guy who leads the league in scratches. And this is a good layout once again.
Veteran experience.
International experience.
Hindi mo talaga pwedeng baliwalain yung...
Sige nga, Baset. Prove me wrong, Baset. O yan.
Kinakabahan ka naman.
8 sa kabilang corner. Pwede nga iside pati yung 8 eh.
I forgot who we're talking about here. Two of the most veteran players.
Naman. Talking about Baset, Mukaybat. Eh, sa side lang talaga nila.
Kabila ang side pocket na lang dito to close out this rack.
And dropping on the 9. Boy, if this duo clicks, Negros is in trouble. Banayar.
They have all the makings of one of the deadliest doubles combinations
In the league.
in the league or anywhere else.
I think I've been covering this guy for 20 years, more than 20 years already.
For
at
sure,
least,
for
ano.
sure.
Ikaw, pati sa World Pool Championships
Yes.
natin, na-cover mo na rin to eh.
Nakaiba talaga. And as you mentioned, if this tandem clicks, Noel,
Wait a second. Dry break for
Look at that.
Geronimo and Mauricio, grinning ear to ear.
nako, one ball. Aray ko.
Walang aling. And just like that, the veteran duo of Quezon City sits down. Hindi naman nakadikit yung one ball sa long rail. But he looks to be sending this one ball to the netherworld.
Ano ang hinahabol niya dito? He will just take that 5 and 4.
May konting kita para kay Galve dito sa uno. Galve tries to execute a better safety, which is now the alignment of 4 planets.
Kung walang knowledge, walang power.
Nakita ko lang naman sa Facebook. Minsan fake news din yan eh.
Minsan fake
Oo.
news. Saan mo ba nabasa?
Depensa.
Parang sa nakikita ko, hindi masyadong offensively aggressive yung mga players natin tonight.
Tinkers with combinations but also tinkers with pace. Wow, that's nice from Garde.
Ganda nung tira na yon. Just really using that 2-ball. Perfect pace to bring that 2-ball right behind the blue 2.
Well, Galvez just gonna follow where it went to make contact with the 1, separating the 8 and the 9. Does he sell out the 1?
I think he will. The biggest lead that either team had was a 2-rack lead.
Talking about James Verano. Or will he settle for the combination? The Quezon City Dragons. Nabigyan sila ng pagkakataon. 1, 2, 3 rails perhaps. 1 rail lang. Check
Dinerecho
side.
lang. May momugation possibility yan kung mali ang contact mo.
Ito na naman tayo. Okay na. We're gonna have another tied game.
Grabe palitan dito ng panalo, Noel.
Kasabihan nga natin, ang kumurap, pangit.
Oo.
And James Verano puts it away.
Verano is left with this difficult shot.
Well, there's a safety on this shot. Sobrang buntis ng tira. I think he's gonna take it on. It is makeable. And he's gonna send this to the other corner pocket, it appears. Or just send it away like that. Umabot.
Good block enough, I think, on that orange 5. Oo nga. So,
Ryan Mark Hidalgo and Raymart Camomot, we said before the break, hold the SBA record for most consecutive wins by a tandem. Oh, wow.
come
Oh, wow.
on.
Wow!
That is a shot. And look at the preparation for the 3.
So yan, express delivery po yan, guys. Hidalgo's break. Still dry. 9!
Ay, nadali.
Bumabol! It's a golden break para dito kay Ryan Mark Hidalgo of the Negros Occidental Pillars. Looks like Baset has a shot on the 1. Does it touch the 3? Because if it touches the 3, hindi papasok yan. Mukhang hindi.
Mukhang may lusot.
May awang.
Oo.
Suabe.
Tingnan
Para
mo
kay
naman
Kingpin.
yung position shooting nitong si Kingpin.
That he had. Mumugation. Ganda ng tulak, oh. Diretso, Mark. How does he get it back for the 4 ball? He needs to jack up pero lapit niya sa side rail. Kita ba? Makes it this time. Just saying, Baset has an open bank shot if he wants it. Kaya pa pala ipabuntis.
Bang klase talaga pocketing nitong si Kingpin.
In their last matchup against Makati, he was not with the team.
Oh, he's doing Jedi mind tricks.
Di mo
Parang
kayang
Hidalgo.
Kingpin yung kalaban mo.
Lahat yata ng bilyarista, ganun eh. No? Akala nila nakakausap nila yung bola. Looks like they'll get one more rack to their cause.
The run of Negros Occidental stops at 3 in a row.
Pinapa-excite lang naman kayo.
Yung shot clock violation sound natin. Uy, teka muna,
Nako,
nagka-storya.
nako. Pero kick shot, alam natin, kayang-kaya ni Kamomot yan. We've seen him do it many times before.
This time he plays safe on it. Papatong na lang sa numero 2.
I think that's what he's doing here. Ganda nung tira.
Yan ang mahirap na lusutan. Although there is a one-rail kick from the side rail. Good contact. As he sell it out. Yan, tawid dagat na yung magiging kasunod na tira dito. And Jocaresa tries to hide behind the 6 and 5.
Paano yung tira dito sa 2?
Yeah, this could take a while.
Continues.
Up. Nice landing. He's gonna take an intentional foul.
Yep.
You do a 2 to the 9 to the 3 Little Indians.
Posible.
2 to the 9 to the 3 Little Indians.
At may tira pa sa 2.
Successful.
The layout suddenly opens up for the green shirts. How will they capitalize on this situation?
Oh,
Hindi kahabaan si Galve.
yan ang sharking. Ang layo-layo ng 9,
diba?
tinamaan daw.
Kayong mga bata kayo, kung mga Alaska kayo ha. Enjoy lang siya dito.
Tumaas ng konti yung alta pressure niya nun.
Ganda ng ikot dito.
And Negros, according to Doc Nicky Ang, nasa warning na after this 9-ball drops for Kapitan Balbon.
Wala pa tayo nakikita bro, no?
Wala pa.
Wala
Run
pa.
out meron, pero
Run out meron, no?
break and run, wala pa. Because we've only had what? 3 successful breaks.
Uh-oh.
What happened?
That's a mistake you do not want to have here. Dahil warning na ang Negros Occidental. Have to contact the 2 here. He gets
Uy!
it.
What a shot from John L.A. Garde.
And the kids' party goes wild.
Victims last night.
Uh-huh.
Again, this series, anything can happen. Just like that, anything can happen.
Pero may insurance, Noel. They're wishing for a favorable result here.
He's gonna kick. Kick. Good result. Now, cue ball's gonna go behind the 9. From Galvez shot.
Great shot.
Yan. Verano is going 2 rails. Barely makes contact. Does not sell out the 6.
Gusto niya
Oh,
ilagay
how
sa
about this
likod.
double
Ganda.
hide? Wow. He's gonna go. Oh, let's see if he can get it past the 7. 2 rails.
Ganda ng
Good
contact.
contact. And the
Look
cue
at
ball
that.
stays up.
Wow. Great
Wow.
9-ball action. Tingnan mo naman kung nasaan yung cue ball. Unbelievable. Ayaw pa sumuko ng Quezon City talaga.
Oh, foul on the 9. Wow. Verano and Mokaybat have a clear path. No problem. Gets it.
Oh, wow.
A miss by Raymart Kamomot when the coast was clear. We've not had one para sa kupunan ng Quezon City tonight. Instead of a golden break, Mark, a dry break but some defense. James Verano, the newest player for the Quezon City Dragons. Does he get it behind the 4? Does he get it behind the 4? Muntik na. Ingat sa scratch dito if you hit it thin. No, he had a direct shot at it.
Be the penultimate shot to give this rack over and the daily win para sa Negros Occidental.
Well, again, puro banayar na yung matira nila rito. This is the key shot, 3 to the 4. He who shall not be named can speak now.
Pasensya na, Doc Nicky. Ang ganda talaga ng latag eh. Yan na.
Kinurida para sa 6. Almost landing straight. It is straight.
Saktong-sakto na dito. Pwede nang kahit stop ball yan. Okay na eh. Pinaikot pa ng ganun.
Better angle on the 8. Mauricio to draw it back. Jolo Aspuria puts it away. And the Negros Occidental Pillars have now tied this series.
Doing some scouting na rin, Noel, kasi next week they will be going up against the Makati Titans sa ating action dito sa SBA Season 2.
That's a good combination. He's gonna attack the 1 ball. What a confident stroke from Mauricio. Tago yan sa likod na 6. So the speed of the shot is very crucial. Sobrang banayar. Yan. There. Because nga itong si Tristan Diocaresa, who did not perform particularly well last night, Doc Nicky,
Yeah.
parang matumal din ang contribution niya. He was benched and then he came back at humabol, nagmumugation sa isang bola. So let's see if he's 100% mentally focused for this. By the Quezon City Dragons, employed by the Negros Occidental Pillars naman, itong si John Del Sir Mauricio. And John Drasir Mauricio. Classic epekto sa kailangan niya gawin. Huwag lang siya magtago sa likod ng 9. That sometimes happens. Enough spin? Enough spin. Masalimutan magiging landing niya dito sa numero 7. The 8 ball is blocking the natural pocket for the 7. So he's gonna play it as a combination dito. Pero nag-iingay may party. Looks like it will be a tawid dagat. Is he taking this on? He wanted to take it on. Now he's thinking about it. They already used the extension. Tatago sa likod ng 9. Does he get there?
Coming from Mauricio, let's see.
Yan, gagawin niya tawid dagat na lang. Oh, but this is something that you practice in
Yes,
rotation.
exactly.
Spot yan eh.
Yes.
But he must make this shot. Does not make the shot. And again, in the final 2 balls, doon nagkaroon ng disgrasya na naman para kay Diocaresa. And the way Mauricio is stroking it tonight. Right?
Ikaw lang talaga hanggang mamaya dito.
Wow, a commanding 4-0 lead for John Drasir Mauricio. 9 ball moving, nasipa.
1 ball.
3 for 4 on the break.
75% early on for Drasir Mauricio.
And again, a promising layout para dito kay Mauricio.
Stop ball lang dito, konting at parang hindi
Break Tristan Diocaresa for the season, or check that, John Drasir Mauricio for the season, 25.6%.
Yeah.
And itong layout na ito, sa init na tinitira nitong si Tisoy. Yan, Tisoy has played practically mistake-free so far. Tingnan mo naman yung confidence ng kanyang mga tira, Doc. Look at the speed on that cue ball. Oo.
Nitinin yung pagkakamali nun. Sa kanya pa rin napunta yung rack.
9 into the side for a 5 lead. Book it. Is he attacking this?
Safety lang to, Noel.
Oh, but is it a safe shot behind the 6? A lot of right-hand spin for John Drasier Mauricio. Two-rail kick and stick sana down all the way to the depths of hell. Or baliktad.
Yung pato dito yung pinalayo for Dio Careza.
Tignan natin if he goes for the one-railer that's near the side pocket. Made good contact. Wow, good speed by Mauricio. Dagtum yung itim. Long rail. Made it.
Kanina napakita na tayo ng long shot nito eh.
Pinakita na naman tayo. Missed on an 8 ball. Missed on a 7 ball. Muy bilis na tira ni Tantantining.
Actually, naunahan mo lang ako doon, Noel. Pag gagantong kabilis ang tira ni Tining, nakakuha na niya yung confidence.
Oh, this is gonna feel good for Tristan Jocaresa. It was not pretty, but it's the first win for the QC Dragons tonight. Although this is an easy kick shot for Mauricio.
Kanina, nakadalawang mali na si Mauricio sa one ball. Let's see kung makakabawi siya ngayon.
Trying to bank it. Wow! What an opening shot. And suddenly, open sesame na.
Pinaputok pa yung dos doon, Noel.
Hindi ba yung gapang papunta sa tres? I mean, that cost them the rack. Napakaswabe.
Nanakawin ko lang yung statements mo for the past few days.
Mauricio taking his time on this. Hirap i-explain, no? Kick shot na nag-cross bank sa uno. Pwede nang bigyan ng he shall not be named eh.
Oo.
So after 2 straight wins. Oh, that was close.
Okay pa rin to for Mauricio.
Lands a little straight on the 8 though.
There you go.
Decides to go for the draw shot. So John Drasier Mauricio, after relinquishing the last 2 racks, is back on track. Needs special attention.
Pwedeng that 2 ball can opt to that opposite corner pocket. Yung tinuro nga dito ni Dio Careza na landing. There you go, right on that mark.
Stop. Kalaban ng una kung kayang-kaya mo naman. Pero itong dalawang to, halos match talaga in terms of all skills.
May pag-asa pa ako manalo.
You're looking at 2 of the most successful shot makers in the league right now. At 95.5% success rating. And he's already had 2 bad misses tonight. Had 1 bad miss yesterday. Iba talaga pag, pag one-on-one na lang kayo eh, no?
Yes. Pwede mo nga sabihin dito, ang kalaban mo lang talaga dito yung sarili mo eh. Hindi yung kalaban mo talaga on the other side.
At saka walang sharking na nagaganap.
Yes, that's a big factor for both teams.
Everybody's respecting the privacy of these 2 players, and Tristan Jocaresa wins his 3rd rack of the night. Pero still needs to do a lot of work to draw even again.
Yung latag ng 2 tsaka 9.
2-9 karom ba yata ang parating dito, or either that or 2-9 combination. Mauricio has already abbreviated 1 rack tonight. Pero mukhang paubos din naman ito. Wala na rin problema. I mean, he can go for the combination, but... Oy. Still getting back on track.
That would be Run DMC and si Balbon Jonal Galve.
Yun. Silang dalawa na lang ba?
Yes, for the Negros Occidental Pillars.
Kasi tapos na para sa Negros. Etong si Raymart Comomo siya yung unang ginamit. 13-7, I stand corrected. And then 13-12 naman ang kuha.
And Joe Lospuria ang natalo nga dito kay Demosthenes Pulpul sa kanilang last one-on-one matchup. 11-13 na naging scoreline nila nun.
So nagiging nagkakapalitan na sila ng mga panalo rito. Mauricio with this 9 ball. Putting that one away. One-on-one Wednesday, which is being led by John Drasier Mauricio. Finally, something drops on his break, on his 4th attempt.
From the looks of things, parang magiging problema ito, Noel, ha? From that 7 going to that 8 ball. Parang hindi enough yung espasyo nung 8 and 9, ha?
Yan ang masarap sa live broadcast no? Kung ano nung... Ano ba yan? Pinariringgan na. Guys sa production, pinariringgan na kay ni Doc Nicky, ha?
Hindi. Sinasabi lang natin yung mga...
Kaya ba ni Mauricio from the 5 to break this up? No, he's gonna...
No.
Actually, he's not going to address it because the 6 passes... No, doon pala galing sa 6.
There you go.
Problem solved. Ganda naman ang gulong na yon.
As cool as the other side of the pillow, that shot coming from
Uy.
Mauricio.
Parang naalala ko yun, Stuart Scott.
Yes. Borrowing some words from the great Stuart Scott there.
The late, great Stuart Scott. And a 9-ball going down once again. This time, it's the biggest lead of the match. Si Jocaresa nakakadalawa na. 14 Jocaresa.
He needs to string consecutive wins dito, Noel, para makabalik, ha?
Grabe talaga yung pressure, naghahabol ka.
Mhm.
And you have no help on the floor. I mean, your teammates can talk to you in between racks. Although yung coach nila, number 1 alaskador yan. Huwag nakilala mo.
They let their shots do the sharking for
Oo.
them.
Negros is only one of 2 teams that did not change players.
Pero
They
wala.
did not move.
Hindi nagbago ng piyesa dito si Coach Jojo Sanchez. Nakita niya naman ang ganda naman ng performance namin, 12-3.
They did not lose a player. They did lose a coach.
Yes.
And Albert Espinola has assumed that role.
Adobong atay na may balon-balunan.
Nuno, kung nanonood ka, request namin ni Doc Nicky next week, adobo naman ulit. As the request of Jocaresa to win a rack is granted. Yet Jocaresa has only had 2 successful breaks. Yung challenge dito, yung phalanx na tinatawag.
Yes.
Babasagin niya. Well, he's done one part.
Yeah. So 3 will go to that side pocket. Pinaandar pa dito ang pato for that 4 ball. Pabor na pabor para ma-break itong, wait a minute. Napalakas doon ang tira ni Mauricio.
Puro paputok yung tira niya rito.
But from this angle, Noel, parang lusot naman yung sa isa.
Yeah, he's not trying to do anything.
Yan, sakto lang yung ganyang angulo. Kasi pag napadiretso yan ng gusto, tatama sa 8 yung 6.
O, hindi nga sila magkadikit.
There you go.
And look at the landing on the 7 ball. Yan, trying his best to play mistake-free. Only 3 mistakes tonight,
Yes.
all leading to fouls. Pero when he's on, it's almost automatic for Tisoy. Ano kaya pakiramdam no? Hindi po titira ka, biglang gagalaw lahat ng bola. Ano ba to? 2-9? 2-9.
Yes.
Ang dami tumutunog ha. So, Jocaresa trying to abbreviate this rack coming off a dry break. Fastest way to do it is via 2-9 combination. Kuha. Long and straight.
Kaya to for Mauricio.
No problem.
Nakakrokis na niya sa utak niya.
Oo. And I keep on bringing that up every time we see fast players. The second fastest player I've seen live in my life. Na-cover ko si Tony Drago noong 2004. Grabe. Paglapag ng plangketa, tira. Boom, 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 boom.
Tony Drago from Malta, right?
Correct. Luke Salvas, napakabilis din tumira. Hindi kinakailangan na mabilis na tira para dito kay John Rasier Mauricio to reach 11 wins for the Pillars. And Mauricio has done just that.
Nakakuha na siya ng back-to-back wins dito. Kala natin naandar na yung biyahe for the Dragons. Pero ito, nagkaroon siya ng bad shot for that 1 ball.
Yan na. Tignan natin kung gaano kabilis na tumira dito si Mauricio. Saan tiniming natin kung gaano kabilis yung pagtira niya rito sa pag...
Tinitingnan ko sa orasan ko.
Tiniming mo na talaga. Mula sa 1 ha. Yata siya tatawag na extension dito. Sobrang kalat na talaga ng... Again, this is a battle of two former teammates at the Manila MSW Mavericks that made it all the way to the finals. So gonna draw this back off the long rail.
Look at that confidence on that shot, Noel.
Oh, ilan na lang. Ilang segundo na lang. Para lumampas naman siyang 2 minuto eh.
Hindi.
Ah, ganun ha?
No.
Wow. Time.
That's 1 minute and 25 seconds.
Kita pa rin yung mga production team natin talaga pag nakainom ng Black Mamba, lahat na nakakatawa sa kanila, no? Yan. Wow! Under pressure, Giocaresa delivers. Again, you mentioned it, Doc Nicky. He's got to play mistake-free.
Yes. Backs against the wall. Ito si Giocaresa from this point on.
Oo, ito confidence booster ito kasi ganda na nakalat ng bola. Nothing special that needs to be done. Get around the 6. Get to the opposite corner pocket. Pwede naman yung pabagsakin lang ito eh. Does not need to do anything. You can just take a longer shot on the 7.
Kuridang ginawa dito para papunta sa side pocket itong 7. Stop ball going to that 8 ball. There you go.
Bilis din tumira nito si Tantantin. He's still alive. Christian Giocaresa cutting it down to 5.
Pwede na mangyari yung second na yun at this point in time.
Right.
Puro na dito si Mauricio.
Can he avoid traffic? Yes, he can.
Malamotorsiklo ang galaw ng
Oo.
kotse dito ni Mauricio. Walang tinamaan doon sa mga bola na yun.
Puro banayar na lang ang natitira
Yes.
rito. May have to go around 2 rails to get to the 7. No, he'll just elect to pop backwards. And John Drasir Mauricio. Tinanong natin before we went on a break if it will be a reversal of the Monday score 13-7 in favor of Quezon City. It will be. As Tisoy has this 9 ball to give the win to the Negros Occidental Pillars 13-7 dito po sa ating 1-on-1 Wednesday.
Natulog ako, kala ko 9 yung kapaligtad yung 1 and 9. So kitang-kita naman pala yung uno.
Ayan,
Alright.
papapasyalin. Is it enough? It made contact,
Oh,
but
yeah.
it still showed up. Buti na lang, ikaw kasama ko yun. You have the sole right to say it.
Let's see kung anong diskarte dito ni Jolo.
But there's some angle to it.
Yun, it's a good thing. Iniwasan niya yung 8
In order to get to the 5 ball,
for the
opposite
side. Yeah, probably. Yun na nga.
sa kabila pala kukunin. All the same.
O baka pag 1 reel, may konting yun. Marami pala. Hindi lang pala konti. Maraming inside spin. Looks like they're picking up where they just left off yesterday. So medyo dispabor nga lang tong 7
Oo.
getting to the 8. It's a good thing. Nandyan lang yung 8. Kaya pwedeng baksak na lang to. Or palalapitan pa ba niya? Yun, binaksakan na lang niya. Pwede rin. Yun, just a bit.
Parehas kayo nang umisip. Mga full players talaga. Pare-pares
Ay,
kayo
ko.
umisip eh, no?
Ingat lang syempre kung saan mag-end up yung uno after the combination.
Ayan, dyan nag-end up.
Oh.
Dikit.
So, eyeing to take this blue to on the side or in the side pocket. Pretty clear na yung ano dito, Jay. Yung
That's right.
latag ng mga bola.
No issues to resolve here, Mr. Ong.
Parang may gusto ko sanang sabihin o itanong.
Hindi. Sige. Ito, ililidid natin doon sa bagay na yun. Total, it's also to give way para batiin yung mga nanonood sa atin. Si Popoy, Sharkingan na.
Si Clint Fernandez.
Nick Fernandez,
Oo.
as usual, alas 8. Nanonood ng Bicol pool player, Pinoy pool table. Ba? Tapos, Angelo Fe Geronimo, syempre,
Yes, of
nakaabang.
course. Oo.
Tapos, Doc Nicky Ang. Ay, ito na. Basahin ko word per word.
Okay.
It's just a matter of time before it's safe to say, AJ Ong.
Patay ka dyan. Hindi ako nagsabi niyan, guys, ha? Anyway, binabati ko rin si Miss Ariana Guerra Galve, ang better half ni Jonald Galve.
Saktong-sakto. Ayan si action star, Lito Lapid, Raymart Camomo, daming pangalan.
No, yun na nga. Speaking of, Jonald Galve is on the 9 and he puts it away.
It's noticed the placement of the blue 2.
Yes, kabila naman yung blue
Yon.
two. So he tried his best na mag-screw back. Tumama pa nga sa 5 ball at medyo napaganda pa.
That was Raymart Kamomot. And if anything, if you have been following Negros Occidental, you don't want Little Lapid to get it going.
Sinabi mo pa,
Kasi magtutuloy-tuloy yan.
duo of the
Oh,
game eh, no?
We were
Couple
all
of times.
witness to that Taguig Negros Occidental series. Na it came to a point that Taguig had no answer
Sa
for
mga binibigay ni
Raymart.
Kamomot. That's right. Well, hang on. 8 to the 9. Kaya pa rin naman. Medyo semi-diretso nga lang. So Galve, either he screws back. Okay. 2 rails.
Kinakasan.
Not bad. Straight in 9 ball.
Makabasag bola na tama ni Kapitan Balbon. And that will lead to this 9 ball that will give Negros Occidental a 4-1 lead.
Kaya pala ako laging
Nadadapa.
nadadapa, nasisinok. Yung pala pinag-uusapan pala ako. Safe to say na maganda na ang tatak dito ng QC.
Tignan mo, saktong-sakto. Kare-request ni Erwin Aninohon. Banggitin na rin natin, may nanonood mula 2P South Cotabato. Cheryl Dason, Tropang Banayer.
Ayun. Tropang Banayar.
Sama-sama sila. Actually, yung next series
Gigil
sila
na.
tagal pa, oo. Kaya dumalaw na kagad dito. Kompleto yung buong Taguig actually kanina.
Kailan ba ang nagsasalang ng Taguig
Malayo
Stallions?
pa, sir. This is week 12, ah. You're going to see them on
15?
week 16.
16!
Kasi next week, ang serye natin, Makati Titans kontra Manila MSW Mavericks.
Oh, wow. Grabe naman. At eto na, habang sa kwentuhan natin, 2 bola na lang natitira dito.
Binigyan mo kasi ng S2S eh.
Kaya napaganda naman
Oo.
para sa QC.
Kaya patay mali siya na lang tayo that we are pretending that you did not say S2S but in reality, you
I
did
just
say
did.
S2S and it didn't work for Quezon City. As a result, they won their second rack, AJ.
Well, it's a good thing. Family ng Ramos na nanonood ngayon, especially Mr. or Miss Jemo Ramos. Okay. Naririnig ka sa
Kaya
labas.
pala narinig sa labas.
Okay.
Pero sakto-sakto kasi, ayan si The
Raymart,
Black Arrow ang...
Sino? Raymart tuloy. Si Ryan Mark
Si Raymart.
Hidalgo.
Oo, ayun pa si
Oo.
Jolo.
So ngayon, for pillars, it's Raymart
Ay!
Kamomot.
Uy!
Muntikan na. So 5 to the 6. Walang problema.
Natatarget, you want to target that object ball directly towards the bucket. But sometimes, players like these pros who are playing, they actually target near the rail. Why?
Near the rail,
Oo.
what do you mean? Papanong...
Kasi that cheat in the pocket option.
cheat in the pocket. Lumalabas naman yun kung sakaling kinakailangan nila ng extra
Mm.
movement ng cue ball. Kaya minsan, nag-cheat sila to the left or to the right. Depende na lang kung anong angle.
Similar to what happened to the Purple 4 eh. Naakala natin sobrang nipis, di ba?
Yes.
It's just really about the spin of that ball. And talking about object balls, it's another cleanup job.
Actually, pwede kung di lang dikit yung pato. He can pot the 2 ball and somehow disturb those balls right there. Ayan, papunta na sana eh. Ang ganda. Very nice. Kaso nga lang, wala pa rin. Tsaka baka mag-double kiss nga lang dun sa 3 ball if ever. So now, trying to use the 5 possibly to hide the cue ball.
Ahay, that's 1 ball.
Nako,
That Purple 4 is gonna go that direction.
that's right. Heading towards the corner. Nicely done.
Just gotta pray though that the red 3 doesn't go anywhere.
That's right. Or playing it off the 6 pa pwede rin. Pero yun,
Ahoy!
sinubukan nila yung combination, hindi nga lang nag-materialize. Trying to hide this behind the 6. Ingat lang, syempre. From a kick shot, going for the combo. Nice. Ayaw pa din. Kala ko ayaw pa din eh.
For this Tandem Thursdays of the Dragons versus the Pillars 9 ball! Golden break for the action star, Little Lapid.
Try to break it from here. The shot on the 1 ball with some inside spin since yung 2 ball andito lang naman malapit. Pero he avoided Any contact dun sa bolang yon, tong 6 and 7.
Kasi they're out in the open.
Bottom left lang to. Okay, nicely done.
Ricky Sarming, Go Negros. Team Pillars Cutie Pie.
Happy viewing to you guys.
Siyempre, yung Angela Fejeronimo, Team Dragons Cutie.
Or kung ano, baka ano na lang. Ayun, may angle naman pala.
Got it.
Nicely done. At ang ganda pa. Nung pagtama dun sa 6, saktong-sakto. Available na sa may corner pocket. Okay.
Again, Quezon City is undefeated in Tandem Thursdays.
Wala
Negros
pang
Occidental.
natatalong Thursday to.
Magse-settle down.
Kukumpiyansa ka.
Magse-settle
Kukumpiyansa.
down a bit ka eh.
Dahil since na-secure mo na yung week eh.
But so far, Quezon City Dragons
Wow.
really still in this matchup. Ito, tutulad niya sa pagkakataon ng Quezon City, they are forced to play beautiful music together because number 1, they are down by 4. And number 2, they are down in this series. Another sorry miss. Di ko lang alam kung napatalon ulit si Barrios Marcial sa kinahihiga niya. Kasi nung nagmintis kanina, Ay, nako! Sasabihin ko pa lang yan, green 6 na yan.
Oh,
Ulo!
check. Oh, hang on. Oh, thrice in a row. Would you believe that, Jay? In a row.
Jolo Aspuria had to do some gymnastics in order to reach that green 6. Finally, it's done.
So maybe settling on the short side position of the 8. Basak lang tong 7. It's gonna be automatic.
One of the strangest racks this night,
Huwag lang sumabit. Great shot right there.
Yun.
Hidalgo
11-6.
behind the 5 and 2. Tingnan natin. Parang half ball hit dito sa 1. Ayun. Ganun sana yung plano. Kaso nga lang, sumilip palabas.
But if these guys are gonna go for broke, this is the perfect time.
All or nothing.
Talagang cut shot dun sa yellow 1 just to hit that perfect angle towards the 9 ball. Baset mo kay Bat. Trying a carrot
Yun
and he
na nga. Yun na nga
did!
yung sinasabi natin. There is a danger na pwedeng atakin yung 9 ball from a carom shot. Kaso nga lang yung distansya, no? Medyo bukod niya. Naiwan. Posibleng baka yung pillars na yung makapag-run out nun.
The 7 ball made it.
Mukhang kaya ata.
Unless
to,
may
Jay.
silip kay Cap Edgy. Meron naman.
Yun. Side pocket ang 3.
Magiging uso sigurado to sa mga pool players no? Na iba yung tumbok mo. Maaaring mabilis sana yung magiging palitan nila Baset sa ni Cap Edgy. Pero this time, syempre di mo maiwasan na kailangan maging maingat ka.
Kung anong posibleng maging problema. So good. Ika nga, sabi ni Mark Zambrano, things are looking good.
Sinigundahan pa ni AJ Ong.
Pero wala namang mangyayari dito. Ano to? Ano to? Hindi, joke lang yan syempre. Nangyari sa inyo. Di ba? Galing sa kick shot, last ball. First time kong masasaksihan yun kung sakasakali ha.
Para nagtanong ng where. Nang gising lang, si Baset mo kay Bad. Okay, kompletuhin na natin yung Smart Sports roster. Baji Del Rosario, Froy Endaya, Ray Gungon, and a productive break coming from Quezon City. Pinag-uusapan nga natin kanina kung nag-iiba yung tumbok. Kung rack number 3 pa lang to kaysa sa pag nasa dulo na. Sabi niya, pag ako naglaro, mas kinakabaan ako pag ako ang hinahabol.
Depende talaga yan sa ano ng tao personality ng tao. Minsan yung
Ang mga kampiyon talaga, they have that killer's instinct. They have that mentality na, and kung titignan mo yung team standings, sila lamang.
meron din naman mentras na we are about to witness our potential second break and run out coming from QC.
Back-to-back bros.
Yes.
Teka lang, Creed Fernandez, sinabi niya, nilabasan ni Kingpin yung kanyang 100%. Crazy.
Oh, look at that. Kinontra.
Ayan
Great
na, si
shot
Goku
from
tsaka
Okaibat.
si Vegeta.
O ano to? Siyempre, kunwari lang din yan.
Cap naman. Papataas pa ng high blood si Cap Edgy Geronimo.
So far, it's been...
9 ball is in motion.
Come on. Talaga naman, muntikan pa yun. Para sa Pillars, may konting chance pa makabalik dito ang QC because of that 9 ball which is blocking the Brown 7. At habang iniisip ni Jay kung ano ang nangyari sa kanyang BYD.
Easy. But there's a slight possibility that Quezon City returns to the floor because of the location of the Brown 7.
Yun, oo, yun na nga. So, tingnan natin na, oops,
Ako,
ingat din syempre sa t-shirt ni Drasir na wag tamaan.
nakapigil hiningang tira. Kasi
Pag nag-exhale, saka mag-expand yung t-shirt at tatama doon sa eto na, dito natin makikita kung paano diskarte. Yeah, it's the key shot right here, 60-7. Tatamaan na.
it's
Sisiguraduhin
gonna make
na.
contact.
Aba, napaganda
And
pa.
it showed up.
Malapit-lapit na rin. 2 balls away.
2 balls away.
QC
Oo.
sa isang Thursday doubles. This week's series.
Negros Occidental Pillars.
First shot of the night,
boy.
really.
I will not say anything anymore. I'm done. I am done for tonight, Noel. That's it.
Again, no room for error. Tandaan natin, Negros lost King of the Hill for the first time last Monday. Cap Edgy will have no issues. Yan ang bigyan mo.
If you're talking about a veteran, talagang itong si Edgy Geronimo. With this kind of a spread,
Puro bagsak na lang itong tiran to eh. Para dito kay Cap Edgy. Get blocked by the 9.
that's the only challenge here so far. But
Yun.
easy positioning there para kay Edgy.
He has to make this cue ball travel now because medyo dispabor siya sa 7. There's the travel.
Will he get enough pace? The last thing he wants is to get blocked by that 9.
Lusot.
Lusot. Kulang ba ang bista?
Hindi
Oh, I
naman.
got it. Oh.
Hindi naman. Sabi ni Cap Edgy, magpatingin nga kayo lahat ng mga mata niyo dyan sa taas. Linaw-linaw na makukuha ng Quezon City. That will be... Mahanap ko, asa na yun? Edgy Geronimo. That's his 4th scratch. Etong si Tristan Jocareso sa kanilang 1-on-1. 13-7, which is the same scoreline. Long shot on the 4. This is not automatic. But it is for Tisoy.
Not a challenge para dito kay Drasir.
So far, we have held serve in this one. Well, actually, let's see how he lands on the 8 ball from this shot on the 7 side.
Dispabor eh. Kaya problema niya dito, he'll have to go around the table and hopefully get a little bit of space.
Did he use his extension already? He has to fire. Banayar para dito kay Mauricio.
Great pocketing so far for Mauricio.
And this
Playing
9 is gonna tie it up.
to bring you to a higher level in your next games.
Well, Tristan Jocaresa wants revenge.
Maganda nga yung layout dito and knowing how he plays, maganda rin ang pinapakita niya.
Well, coming into week is the number 1 shot maker at 95.5%.
Off somewhere sa opensa nitong si Jocaresa. But once again, if you look at his stroke, just looking and analyzing this guy's stroke, dadapa na sa mesa and then just takes the shot.
Kaya nga natawag siyang tantantining.
Yes.
Oh. Yung laban nga nila ni Mauricio. Si Doc Nicky actually, in one of the racks na pinanalo ni Mauricio, actually timed it. Yung run 1 minute 25 seconds to run it out.
Wow, unbelievable.
Those are Tony Drago numbers. Medyo mag-ingat lang siya rito sa 8, which he got easily. So we've seen a bunch of runouts here tonight, and here's another one, this time coming from Quezon City.
Doc Nicky, ingat ka
Ay,
dyan.
teka, may issue dito si Kapitan Balbon. Yung 2, hinaharangan ng 8. Will we see our first spadahan of the night?
Napapangiti na lang siya dito eh, no?
Ano ba't yan nilagay daw yung pamato doon? It will be a safety shot behind the 8.
Uh-oh.
Kung nilakasan niya pala, no? That's gonna be a kick shot though if he cannot see the entire 2. Can he massay around the 8 to make contact on the 2? Kick shot supposed to be the easier one. He will kick.
Sinusukat niya ng gusto eh, oh. I don't know anyone who will say no to this chance.
Oh,
here.
yeah. Joe
There you
Careza
go.
does it. Our first abbreviated rack of the night.
Together with his other teammates.
Stop ball lang halos yung mga tira niya rito eh. Oh. Another one.
This
Oh.
looks like a...
Isang bola ka lang. Yan. Konting batak.
Para pag
Hindi
nagkamali, papagalitan ni Noel Zarate. Oh.
Tignan natin kung may mumugation. Mumugation! Wala, may banayar.
Ba't mo ginijinx yung tao?
Para hindi nga mangyari kayong dalawa ni AJ. It's safe to say. Tapos meron ka pang, it's looking good. Pero pagkakataon to ni Raymart Camomot, run out earlier, but this will be a run out nonetheless by Raymart Camomot, who actually does share an SBA record with Ryan Mark Hidalgo for most consecutive wins at 10. Can he start a streak tonight? That is a pretty good run out. Picked up the win earlier, 3-2 po ang abante ngayon. And a first successful break of the night.
Greeting everybody watching sa Facebook
Yan.
right now. Watching from Korea, si Hiro Unisa. Pinaalala pa na batiin natin si Kyle Sasan. Ayos Clint Fernandez again, alas 8 na, Sharkinga na. One of our masugid na taga-subaybay ng ating games.
Because this layout is starting to open up.
Veterans like Kamomot, parang ang dali-dali ng bilyar. Yung mga tira niya, pag pinapanood mo, parang kahit tayo, kaya natin gayahin. Pero ang hirap ng mga tira na yan.
Yung tira magagaya natin, yung resulta malamang hindi.
Uy,
Sumayaw pa yung numero
Sumayaw
8.
pa.
But he gets perfect position on the 9. And James Verano is just going to watch as Raymart Camomot does his job. Teka mo, yung 3, corner. After that, yung 4 sa side. This will be the key shot here kasi yung hindi siya diretso dito sa numero 2. Can he cheat the pocket? Well, last time that we had a Quezon City Dragon lineup, he was talking in Chinese because he was in China representing the Philippines. Ay, di niya inikutan yung 9. He had enough space and enough angle. Again, the leading scorer so far this week para dito sa Quezon City Dragons. Led again in the doubles loss yesterday.
5-7 combination in the making for Baset here.
Banayar. Pinaikot. That's just great speed control for Baset Mokaibat. Inevitable. 2 balls na lang.
2 balls na lang.
Pag
dalawa.
nagmumugation sa 9 mark, I swear.
Yan na. For the rack.
But this is Baset Mokaibat.
Tawa ko ng tawa nun. Sabi ko, bakit mo kinuha?
Up.
Just
Pwede.
enough. Just enough.
Sabi ko, Kap, malapit na matapos. Ngiti na lang siya. Former captain of the defending champions, the Taguig Stallions. You can use the 6 ball as the breaking ball. Pwede kang 4 and 6 ipasok niya rito eh. But decides to go around it.
Well, he'll take that 5 on the side pocket. Hindi na papalayuin doon. Same pocket for the 6. Sige, parang nag-aabang ka ng mintis.
Sige.
Para masisi ako.
Pag ginagano na si AJ, sabi niya, safe to say, bigla na lang tumatahimik eh.
Edgy yan eh.
Naman.
Veteranong, ganyang latag. Edgy oh.
Hindi si AJ Ong yan. Ay talaga oh.
Delikado ka, Edgy.
9 ball down. Para dito kay Edgy Geronimo. Right
Hindi naman
behind
yung
the
ginawa.
9.
Look at that. Yun ang gagawin niya.
Left hand spin, I should say. And will hide behind the clump to no avail. Looks like masyado manipis. So it's gonna be a kick.
Nice shot there. He's hoping for another defensive comeback.
Oh, he can actually try for the 9.
Good shot.
Pinatong na lamang ni Cap Edgy. Hindi, itatago doon sa kabila.
Tago na naman sa likod ng 9. Papabiyahihin yung cue ball.
This is gonna take a while, guys. May kita si Uno. Depende sa speed ng tira to. Tapik lang yan, no? Pok. But he still opts to play safe. Anong response ni Edgy Geronimo after this kick shot? Good shot. Ginamit pa yung 4. That's the case. Iiwan yan sa likod na 5. Oh, did he go
no.
for it? Oh, to run this rack out.
Just enough pace to take that 2 ball in the corner pocket.
Kasi Edgy Marilao na to eh.
Yes.
James Marilao, hindi rin pwede yun. Kaya naging Remember Me. At sino nag-approve ng kanyang moniker? Na Remember Me. Little bit of a travel here from the cue ball after the 3 goes into the side pocket. Side.
Quezon City, of course, Noel.
If there was a tie at isa lang ang pipiliin mo to advance to the playoffs, Quezon City had the tiebreaker.
Yeah. Balanced lineup nitong Negros Occidental Pillars allowed them to slowly but surely crawl their way up. Nothing short of spectacular between these two teams.
And Negros is guaranteed to be the #1 team in the league because they already won this series matchup between these two unless they meet again in the playoffs. Back-to-back wins.
Nanggigigil na dito si Galve looking at that 5'9". But first, he has to find position. But yung tiririt dito, no player wants to use this if they had a choice. But
Uy!
Hey, I didn't see that coming, Noel.
Mamadaliin na ito ni Kapitan Balbon. 2 to the 5 to the 9 Little Indians.
Inaasar na.
May halong ka ba yung mukha niya? This is not a guarantee, pero one ball na one
Ay,
ball,
wala.
pare.
Boom.
And that's it. Jonald Galve giving us our second abbreviated rack of the night. At kahit si Cap Edgy, parang iniloko pa niya si Kapitan Balbon. Already used this extension after the break.
Curious.
Nadaanan yung 7. Does it impede the path to the 3? Not at all.
Uh-oh. Just enough space.
Lusot. Short side on the 4.
And there's the rack, Noel, the way I
Yeah.
see things. Should I say it?
Bahala ka.
Hugas kamay ka naman.
Wala namang pumipigil sa'yo. It's a free world.
Is
Yon.
Reyes, Edward Buguia, Mark Goyeneche, Miko Cordova, Neil Laput. Ito yung mga pinaka-pogi.
Because this 6 ball is straight into that corner. Banayar draw.
Alam naman natin kung anong kalibreng player. Look at that. As expected. Ooh! For the 8 ball and 9 ball is waiting right at the center of the table.
93.2 success rating.
Goodness. Video game levels.
That means for every 100 shots he takes, he only misses 7 times. Parang Karom nga
Hindi,
directly na to into the side
Hindi,
pocket.
he's really looking
Ayaw.
for that defensive shot. Ibang angle yung tiningnan niya.
Oh.
That's the last thing you want. Doon ka na sa mas high percentage, ika nga nila.
Oh, Castronuevo went for this, but missed it.
You're really avoiding the 3 words, ha?
Ligpitable. Bakit?
Sa bagay,
Ligpitable.
sinabi na ni AJ Ong sa comment. So,
Ewan
ganun
ko
na
dyan.
rin yun.
He who shall not be named. Oh, Mumugation #1. Wow. You did not expect that from Baset Mukaibat.
I did. You mentioned AJ Ong. So, that's exactly what happened.
And Dinbar Castronuevo coming off the bench. Teka.
Oh, wait a minute. Super nipis. Position on the
Yan.
9. Great shot by Run DMC.
And eventually becomes the Mukaibat stopper. Safety battle muna tayo. Uy. May hawig. Ay,
Kita.
benta. Because Castronuevo is
Pwede.
brandishing the hot Q. 1-9 combination
Oh,
is
boy.
in. Para dito kay Dinbar Castronuevo. Birthday week na asawa mo, hindi mo naalala. Ikaw talaga.
Matagal pa naman. 24 pa.
Oh, look at this though.
Uh-oh.
Look at this though.
Uh-oh. Hey, and just like that,
Is 4 balls away from achieving that. Did not play in the singles match because that was John Rasier Mauricio. And now, becoming the first player to win 3 straight matches tonight.
I'm sure Coach Jojo is very pleased right now with the result, Noel. Ni AJ Geronimo, you can feel the control going right back.
Oh my goodness,
disaster.
really? Wow!
He was preparing to take the next shot. Negros has a chance to take the lead back and the momentum will swing to the green shirts.
11-10 Negros.
Imagine that. Layo eh.
but makeable for the Kingpin. Suave. He's been the most prolific player. Kinurida pa. He's been the most prolific player para dito sa koponan ng Quezon City this week.
But just taking it one ball at a time, all business right now for the veteran.
And you notice Baset just goes through the same motion on every shot.
Same
Pinaikot.
pocket for the orange 5. Para may diin.
Bigyan na natin. Well, it's safe to say. Tatawagin na naman niya tayong King of the Hill.
Oh, King of the Hill. Safe to say it's looking good daw. Thanks, Doc, ah.
King of the Hill on Monday.
Opportunity to scratch. Kasi konting-konti lang yung naiwang window do sa corner na yun. Kung saan nanggaling yung cue ball.
Go back to the bench. Run DMC. Your reign is over.
You can take a slight stun shot to use that 5 to hide that cue ball. Pero the
Baka
spin on
mag-expose
the spin on that cue ball is difficult.
Kita tres.
Oh boy.
Now the carom belongs to Mauricio if he wants it.
Well, if Rafael had a choice right now, he would rather that Baset Mukaybat stay on. But if a 3-9 combination ends this, wow.
3-9 carom.
Yun na nga.
3-9 carom it is. And the break from
And
Tristan
it's dry.
Jocaresa
It looks dry.
is dry. Both teams have already had 4 Hills this season. Quezon City is 2 wins and 2 losses sa Hill. At yung dalawang talo naman nitong Quezon City Dragons, Hill against Parañaque in a doubles. And another Hill.
Uh-oh. Is he looking at the 3-9? Ang layo.
Missed it. 3 ball now exposed.
Could leave an open table for Tristan Jocaresa. Oh,
But he
boy.
missed the 3.
Never expect him to miss that
Oo.
shot.
Contact made. Cannot hide behind the 8. Jocaresa sees the entire 3 ball. A tough shot on the 3 anyway. For Tantantining. Missed the 3 completely.
If they end up losing this one, that's because of those 2 shots. That will plague them.
Well, it's starting to look like
Eji Geronimo looking on. There's 7-0 King of the Hill record.
is about to come to fruition. Kung mailigpit ni Raymart Camomot yung mga natitirang bola sa mesa.
Positioning will be key here.
Okay lang na medyo. Actually, he's good on the
He's
8.
good.
Singing Remember Me in his head now.
Oh, wow.
And Raymart Camomot will bring the prediction of Jojo Sanchez to life. 13-12 victory here in our final King of the Hill.